be probably the first, second, or third to welcome you all to the 4th annual Eyeball. Let's go.
That tonight's gonna be a good night. 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 That tonight's gonna be a good night.
Well, I mean, look at this. You have the eyeball, so it's good to be here and in person.
What a wonderful event this is. I just wanted to say thank you for all of the hard work that all of you put in every day, taking care of our patients, and really making CEC the wonderful place that it is.
Tonight is going to be magical. So I'd like to thank you all for coming tonight. For those of you who know me, hi! I couldn't It's been a crazy year. We've worked through a pandemic. We've added new offices and so many new faces. We did all scripts. Like, that's it. We did it. Today I'd like to invite our first presenter for the awards.
Good evening, everyone. I brought my friend, Dr. Jeff Ray.
Oh yeah, he's back. You saw me a couple years ago and I got banned from this thing, but I'm back. So we're gonna do this.
Okay, so we have the Duct Tape Award. This person is part genius, part toolbox. If something is broken, they will find a way to fix it. Here's to elbow grease and ingenuity. And the nominees are...
Not Dr. Wily. Not Dr. Bosna. Not Dr. Chester. And not Dr. Roseman. There's a lot of nods. Oh my God, I can't believe this. Chris Mattias.
All right, speaking of free stuff, show me the money. So let's find out who's gonna get all this money tonight. It's not cheating if I draw my own name, right? She says no. Ooh, bet you wanna know. Talia Centron. Congratulations.
We have many good leaders in our business, and the purpose of this award is to celebrate the leaders in this company. And our winner is Chandra Parma.
Presenting the Going the Extra Mile Award. The first winner is Jenny Penny. And the second winner is Tanisha Franklin. Congratulations.
So our next award is actually our last award, the Wily Workaholic Award. Now, some say we're going in alphabetical order, others say we're saving best for last, but either way, welcome Dr. Wily.
Thank you. I know there's been a lot of great awards tonight, but I do have to say this one is my favorite. Pretty much if you've been working this year, you pretty much have been a workaholic. I feel like everybody, yes. I pretty much think everybody stepped it up this year. Everybody's worked so hard. I feel like we've been short-staffed, it's been crazy, and so if anybody has taken a paycheck this year, has been working really hard, so you all deserve it. So the Wily Workaholic Award goes to Linda, Georgia. So, Linda, this is so deserving. I swear, you work so hard. I can't even believe you're inspiration for everybody. And you are, every day, you get there before I do every day. And I get there pretty early, but every day you're there before I do. And every day you're there after I am. And I just can't believe how hard you've worked and what you've gone through the past year. You are truly an inspiration, and you're the best. And Linda, so well deserving, so thank you.
Say it's easy to be a workaholic when you're working with the best actor too.
You all look beautiful. Everyone looks lovely. I cannot wait until the DJ plays some music after dinner
yourself, walk it by yourself, to the right, to the right, to the right, the right, the right, the left, to the left, to the left, the left, the left. Now kick, now kick, now kick, now kick, now walk it by yourself, walk it by yourself.